Hey guys, Jesse Helmendale with TREBEL Wellness Solutions. And today we're going to put Andrew through a little test that we like to see where his ankle mobility restrictions may lie. So Andrew, if you want to go ahead and get a little closer to the wall, let's go ahead and get a thumb and a fist distance away from the wall with, we'll say you're a left foot, and drop down to your right knee. Beautiful. And let's try, if you can, no matter what, we're going to keep your heel on the ground, and let's go ahead and try to drive your knee to the wall. Oh, you're pretty close there. That's pretty good. Do you feel it in the front? Do you feel it in the back? Where do you feel it?
In the back.
Feel it in the back. Okay, cool. So if he feels in the back, and that's actually a pass, so that's not too bad. But could still probably use a little bit of like soft tissue work, the form of a lacrosse ball, something in there to kind of break up. Maybe if he got his knee forward a little bit more, and that's all he could do, we would really, and he said that it was on the back side, we'd really want to kind of like dig in deeper a little bit there. Let's go ahead and try your right. And so Andrew, when he did his elbows up wall squat test, he had a little bit of trouble there. He passed, but he still had some trouble. So not bad there, not quite getting there. Where are you feeling, Andrew, the back or the front?
I feel this one in the front.
All right, so he's feeling the front. That's different than the left side, right? So if he's feeling the front, it's not 100% conclusive, but more than likely it's going to be like a joint issue. It's going to be a little bit more serious, not as easy as just putting a lacrosse ball on it. We'd actually do some like banded mobilization stuff to really try to open up the joint. So Andrew, most folks don't have, usually it's either both sides of the back or both sides of the front. Andrew's going to need to spend a little bit of time exploring a little bit more about what we need to do. But this is a great test to see if your limitations on one of these wall squat tests, if it's in the ankles, maybe it could be in the knee, like we said, motor control. Sometimes it could be in the back. Now that we know that it's probably this right ankle in the front, like I said, we can prescribe him some banded mobilization drills to try to open up that joint. Look forward to that video later when we clean up Andrew's ankles.